Hey, what's up guys, Jude back with another video. Welcome back to episode 2 of how to get started making money in crypto trading. In episode 1 we built the foundation. We learned what trading is and how it is different from investing and why risk management is critical. Today we take the first real step, choosing the right exchange and setting up your trading account. Why choosing the right exchange matters a lot in this space. So these are some following criteria that you have to consider before choosing an exchange. Your exchange is going to be the backbone of your trading journey. If you pick a wrong one, you will be risking higher fees, low liquidity, or even losing your funds to shady platforms. The right exchange should be secure, that is, strong protection measure, solid track records, regulatory compliance, and cold storage for assets. And the second note of choosing the right exchange is liquidity. This is the most important one if you are a trader. High trading volume, low price slippage, tight bid and ask spread, quick order execution. These are all the fundamentals of an good exchange. And third is fair fees. Transparent fee structure, no hidden charges, maker take a discount, volume based tiers. Because fees eat into your profit. So this is also really crucial. And also the last is beginner friendly. With a clear interface and a good support, exchanges like DeepTradeX, Binance, Coinbase and other some of the popular exchange. But also remember, do your own research before choosing the exchange. I suggest you guys go with DeepTradeX, but this is just my personal opinion. Currently they are also giving out early bird benefit that you can take part in. In order to get started with DeepTradeX, it is really simple. You have to just click on the link given in the description. You have to enter your email address, set your password, confirm that password, and you will be receiving a verification code on the above mentioned email. And then you have to just click on this I have read and agree terms and condition and click on sign up. Then you're good to go. You can then deposit in your crypto. Currently you don't require any KYC on DeepTradeX, so that is also really great benefit. If you are looking for a no KYC exchange, then DeepTradeX is for you. And over here you are also getting lots and lots of extra benefit, like here you can take part in different strategies that they already have, like 298 active strategies with an average ROI of 92.47%, and also active traders are more than 8,200 plus, which is something really cool to take a note of. This is a fairly new project and new exchange. So then also they have accumulated like 8,000 plus active traders, which is something phenomenal. So I suggest you guys check this out once. And now let's continue with the video and check out the two major type of exchanges that are out there. The first is centralized exchange and the second is decentralized exchange. Centralized exchange are like our normal exchange like DeepTradeX, Binance, Coinbase and Bybit. These are user friendly and have high liquidity and lets you deposit using fiat like dollars or euros, whereas the second is decentralized exchange, which is like Uniswap or GMX. This does not require sign up and you keep control of your funds through a wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. So this is something really complicated for beginners. So we are currently in this series going to be focusing on centralized exchange, because here they offer like fiat on-ramp service, that on-ramp and off-ramp, that is you can easily deposit any of the fiat currency, and also a good customer support is available on centralized exchange. For example, if you have any query, you can just ask their support team and they will be answering it for you. Whereas decentralized exchange is also a really good option, but it is highly complicated for beginners. So we will be in this series going to be focusing on centralized exchange. So these are the major steps that how you can create an account on any exchanges. This is a step by step. First is enter your email. We already talked about how you can register on DeepTradeX, so that is the same formula. And after you have to set a strong password, and then after creating an account, I think that you should turn on those 2FA immediately, because this is a really crucial for security. Set it up right after registration using Google Authenticator or Authy, not SMS, because sometimes you get swim swept also in this space. So you have to use Google Authenticator for better safety. And also, if your exchange require KYC, then you have to complete that as well. You have to submit your government issued ID and something like selfie. This is required by law for most major exchanges to allow deposit and withdrawals. Currently, DeepTradex does not want you to do KYC, so that is also a really great option and a no KYC exchange. And that's it. Once approved, your account is live and ready to use. And also, these are the simple security steps that you need to follow, and these are non-negotiable in crypto space. The first is use Google Authenticator, that we have already discussed. That is, never use SMS as it is vulnerable to SIM swapping attacks. And also, second is avoid phishing links. Always type the exchange URL directly or use a bookmark one, or always click on the link from trusted source. I also suggest you guys click on the link given in the description, because these are all the trusted links that I have provided in the description. So you will be avoiding phishing links via that. And also you have to bookmark that in order to access in future. And also second and the third is enable withdrawal whitelist. This ensures funds can only be sent to be pre-approved addresses you have saved. And the fourth is double check all emails. Legitimate exchanges will never ask for your password or 2FA codes via email. Use a dedicated email. You have to create a separate email just for your crypto accounts to minimize risk. Don't mix up your personal and professional emails, because keeping separate email will allow you have flexibility, so that one is vulnerable, then the second one is safe. And the last is keep software updated. Ensure your browser, operating system and authenticator apps are always up to date. So these are all the crucial security steps that I suggest you guys take a note of. You can click a screenshot of that if possible, so you can remind yourself. And also, this is how you can deposit fund into your, that is the first step into trading. Now let's fund your account. Most exchanges offer multiple deposits to get started. The first is debit card or credit card. That is fast and easy but higher fees. That is 3 to 5% are the normal charges if you are depositing via debit or credit. And the second option is bank transfer. That is lower fees but takes 1 to 5 business days. So this is really hectic. I suggest you guys go with the last one, that is crypto transfer. That is sent from another wallet or exchange. That is, you can buy it from any of the sources and then deposit directly to exchanges like DeepTradex and start trading. If you are just starting out, I recommend begin with a small amount, like even $50 to $100 is enough to learn the process. Once you learn it, then you can fund it more if you are profitable enough and are generating a proper stream revenue, then this is really great to fund that account. And also remember, never invest more than what you are willing to lose. This is a training capital, not your life savings, so you have to take a note of that as well. So that's it, your trading account is now ready. You have taken your first real step into the world of crypto trading. In episode 3 we will place your first spot trade together, and you will learn the difference between market orders and limit orders. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. And also, this is going to be an important episode as well, so make sure to turn on those bell notifications so you never miss out an important update. And also, ready for your first trade, you can download our exchange checklist right from the description. And that's how you have successfully set up your trading account. Now it's time to learn how to actually place trade and start your journey to becoming a profitable trader. See you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching.